How to share your Instagram story to your Facebook story automatically. First, open the Instagram app on your device, whether it may be iPhone or Android. Now at the top, click on the Your Story icon. Here, scroll down and select the photo or video to add. Once the photo is added, adjust the photo to fit the screen. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the side arrow icon. Here, you will see a few sharing options. Under the Your Story option, a small Sharing Options text is available. Click on it. A pop-up will appear, Share to Facebook. To share your Instagram story on Facebook, make sure your Facebook account is connected to Instagram. For this, click on Continue to connect. The relevant Facebook account will appear then. Tap on Continue. After that, at the bottom, click on Yes, Finish Adding. Then, a pop-up will appear and tap on Share Stories, Posts, and Reels. Now, in the sharing page, click on Share. Then click on Share beside the Your Facebook Story option, and tap on Done at the bottom. The story will be posted on both Instagram and Facebook. From now on, any story you add on Instagram will automatically be shared to your Facebook story as well. And that's it.